In this presentation, I had not chosen any design or any template. But later on I found it is very blank. I want to put certain template in it. There is an option to put the template in the starting when we create a presentation. There comes a wizard which would help us to select a template. But suppose at that time I skipped that step, but now I feel I should use a template. So we can use that template here also after starting or making my presentation. You can see this is a presentation. In this there are 3 different slides. Now I want to put my template. To put the template would go on the slide design window. For that I would go to format tab. From the format tab I would select the option slide design. There is another way to select the slide design window is in the workspace in the normal view. I would click on an empty space. This is the empty space. On the empty space I would right click. When I right click, a context menu opens. In that I would click on the slide. Another menu opens. From that I would select the slide design. So we have to select the slide design either from the format menu or from the right click in the workspace. When I click on slide design, it would open a slide design window. This is the slide design window. Here there is a button load. When we click on load, another window which is load slide design opens. In this load slide design window, we would select the design that we want to put on our presentation. Here the first option is categories. Here 3 options are there: my templates, presentation backgrounds and presentation. My templates means if I had created my own template, they would be listed down here. At present I had not created any, so it is showing blank. I would select the second option, that is presentation background. Here in this presentation background, various templates would appear under the heading template. I can select any of the template which I found suitable for my presentation. Suppose I select this technical polygon and I will click on OK. When I click on OK, you can see in the select design slide design window that particular template would appear. This is the template. If I found it is suitable for my presentation, I can continue. If not, again I would click on load and do the same procedure. Once I am satisfied, I will click on OK. When I click on OK, you can see it is applied to my slide. This way I can add a template to my presentation. Now suppose I want to add a background. I don't want to add a template, rather I want to add a background to my slide. For that I would again go to format. I would select the option page here. This is the option page. Same option is available by right clicking on empty workspace. When I right click on empty space and click on slide, there is also option page setup. So either from here or from format tab, I would click on page. When I click on page, a page setup window opens. In this page setup window, there are 2 options, page and background. We have to click on the tab background. When I click on the tab background, you can see there is a drop down for fill. In this drop down, there are various options like color. When I click on color, various colors would come. When I click on gradient, various gradients mean shades of different colors would appear. You can see different color shades are here. When I click on hatching, these are the various hatching designs. Means these are the net or lines design. And when I click on bitmap, certain bitmap images are there which would be set as the background of my slide. Suppose I click on this droplets. Whichever you want, if you want to fill color with the solid color, if you want to set a background as the gradient, if you want to set the background as hatching, or if you want to set the background as bitmap. Whatever you select, you just select it from here and click on OK. When I click on OK, there comes a small window of page settings which would ask background settings for all pages. Means whatever background we had selected, should it be applied to all the slides in the presentation or only to the selected slide? If I want to put it on all the slides of the presentation, I would click on yes. If I click on no, it would be applied to only the selected slide. At present, the first slide is selected. So if I click on no, only it would be applied to the first slide. And if I click on yes, on all the slides the same background would be applied. In this way, we can set the background of my presentation slides. Now, to change the text style, that is font or style of the text in a slide, we can have a font setting also. For example, this text is a slide 1. If I want to change the font size, font setting, other settings here, I can either do from the formatting menu, this is the formatting menu, or we can do from the formatting window. For that, first I need to select the text for which I want to do the settings. So I had selected this text. Then I would click on Format tab. In the Format tab, I would click on Character. On clicking the character, it would open the character window. From this character window, we can do any settings for the text, like setting the font type. By default, Arial is selected. You can select any. Suppose I selected this one, its preview would be seen here. Then its typeface also we can select, italic, bold, italic, whatever you want. You can select the typeface and you can select the size of the fonts. Suppose I select this 54. Language also, if you want to change, you can change the language also and click on OK. You can see the text would be changed. So this way we can change and set the font type in our presentations.